continuing part of this study is now second question is that we have really good data from clinical trials of what happens with IO medication, what happens with IO TKI medication, but is it true and translatable in real world setting, correct? Like because we don't have any inclusion or exclusion criteria. Like in real world setting, we treat all patients, so that was the main study or main hypothesis to test, okay, what is the outcomes in real world setting. And similar, like, we use McKesson database, we had over 1,500 patients, 600 with Ipilimumab, about 250 with IO TKI, and then about like over 600 patients with TKI monotherapy. And what we noted that in real world setting, time to next treatment, which is like once you start your drugs and when you get the second new drug or new front therapy, was longer with IO TKI therapy compared to IO and TKI monotherapy. Also, time on treatment was longer with IO TKI compared to IO and TKI monotherapy. We did not find any difference in overall survival. So all of these patients' overall survival was about the same. The overall survival was IO TKI was not reached. It was a little bit premature, so we will need longer follow-up to see if we are seeing any differences. Numerically, at 12 months, overall survival was a little bit higher with IO TKI compared to IO and TKI monotherapy. So that's what we noticed, that in large, this over 1,500 patient real world in community oncology setting.